BrandBorders Unlimited. Color red. Item dimensions LxWxH144 by 0.03 by 3.5 inches. Surface recommendation wall. MaterialVinyl. ThemeStripe Stripes. Simple stripes are the newest innovation in wall decoration. These self-adhesive color bands are repositionable and easy to remove. Fresh paint must cure for 7 days before installing. Measures 3.5 inches by 12 feet. Packaged in shrink-wrapped spools. Made in USA. Colors may vary from what is shown due to differences in computer monitor coloring. Made in the USA.